As you know, this year we went with a different sneaker for the cheerleaders. It's the Chasse that you purchase on Omni Cheer. Many people are having troubles figuring out how to change the colors to our gold that we're going to use this year. Well, I emailed the company and this is how you do it. Unlace the shoe. You don't have to go down all the way, but at least there to that eye hole. Turn the shoe around and there's a little pouch. Reach in, grab the color out. They're going with gold this year. And then stick it right back in. Just like that. And you're all done. Lace them back up and you're ready for Sunday. Thank you, and I hope this helped.